everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Manny from Vegan Rock Climbing again. Live simply. Oh yeah, back at camp, back in Vienna, back in my hometown. I was on a little rock climbing trip lately with some friends of mine down in Osp in Slovenia, where they have awesome crags, awesome limestone crags, and we did a lot of rock climbing there, you know, chilled a little out and ate a lot of high-carb vegan food. And of course I had the camera with me and made some great footage down there, but unfortunately the internet connection was kind of crappy, so I couldn't support you with the videos right away. But I will do that now, and I will try to post a new video about this trip every other day from now, so stay tuned. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome climbing videos, a lot of vegan food stuff, vegan high-carb vegan foods, landscape shots, a little bit of talking here and there. So check out this little preview I made for you.
Calma.
Getcha.
I felt because I forgot the video.
Oh yes.
Alright, so stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you soon. See you in the next video.